So heavy. Oh, that's good. And you can see here, I have so many rice cookers, brand new rice cookers, and my fancy rice cooker here I use every day. Those cheaper ones, a medium price rice cooker. Also, the traditional way in China, how we make rice. In the end, we were doing the blind taste, my circus and my husband, everybody gonna taste test, then vote which rice is the best. Let's get this started. So first one I'm gonna open is this Dash Mini Rice to Meet You. Oh, I like that. Opening this is only $24. You can get it on Amazon. Link down below, you can check out. Here's the inner little pot, come with the cup and this lid. Cooking the full cup in this Dash Mini one. Wash your rice at least 3 times. I just rinse in the rice cooker bowl, press down. That's it, let's start cooking. Let's do a next one. This Aroma brand, I never used it before, but bigger than the Mini Dash. Like a little fat cup. Every time I'm lifting rice, would be exercise for me. 1 cup of water. I got dent here on my rice cooker. Doesn't look that pretty, but if I cook a good rice, I'll still keep it. So now we put the rice in here. All right, it's on. I'm trying microwave rice. Never made a microwave rice in my life, but today I'm gonna make it. Let's see, 500 to 600 gram of water with 250 gram rice. This is gonna cook in the microwave for 8 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna try 8 minutes first. I'm kind of nervous because never cooked rice in the microwave before. Let's see if the rice is cooked. No, it's not cooked. Look at this, still water. I'm putting it back for another 5 minutes. So now I'm checking on this rice cooker here. Just got a pool of rice soup right in the middle here. Not a big fan right now. Got a little messy. Oh, but I'm putting my face over here. It's like a facial. Next time I use this rice cooker, I put some mask on. Yeah, that's more useful. 5 more minutes. Actually, it looks like rice now. I would think it's a little watery. I'm gonna just let it sit on the side. What I expect from microwave. So now back on the traditional rice cooking, how I grew up with my grandma. This is how she made rice. We didn't have a rice cooker. So she always rinsed the rice. We'll put it in the wok, or you can cook in the pot. We always get the rice soup. We save the rice soup. Later we make a tomato or vegetable soup dish. With the rice cooker, you don't get the soup. No soup. You got like little dirty soup on the top. So here you see the rice cooking, bubbling. This rice have 2-step cooking. First we cook in the water, then we're gonna drain on the side and we steam it. This is called 粒米饭 in Chinese. Can you take a guess which country in the world eat the most rice? China. China is #1. #2 is India. Actually, Japan is not even on the top 3. Japan is on #9. So now I'm gonna turn off the heat. You can see this rice is half cooked. If you pinch it, it's still a little hard. This is ready to go the next step. Cheesecloth, put on here. I'm gonna scoop the rice, drain the soup through this. Now here you got even better facial with this steam. Better than a cheap rice cooker there. I will steam the rice with, maybe I call it rice cloth. I will steam in the wok for another 15 minutes. Let's check the rice. Much better looking rice than the microwave one. But I'll see if my husband, my kids think that this is the best. So this rice cooker is $5.25. It's kind of expensive. This is the top of the line from this brand called Zojirushi. Like a year ago, I got this new one. It's been lasting 15 years. Really good quality. Just cook the rice evenly, so control the temperature very well. I already made some rice here. Let's open it. Ooh, let's taste the $500 rice cooker. So I know what it tastes like. I think it's perfect. Here, Grandma, if it's not perfect, don't blame me. I just maybe not cooking it right today. Grandma's pretty close. I cannot pressure cook the rice in the wok. Let's try the messy one. Take a piece here. $39 rice cooker, Aroma. Not bad, I just taste water in there. Those two have a little more, I feel like a little more flavor in there. Okay, so next one is this Dash Mini rice cooker right here. Not bad for $20. I think definitely worth the money. If you have 5 kids, probably you get 5 of those. Just joking, 5 of those. The microwave. I got rice soup all over the microwave too, I just noticed. Just by looking, you can't really tell, but looking like a little mushy. Let's try. If your first time eating rice, do you think the rice tastes like this? You'll be disappointed. No, don't use the microwave. Yeah, I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm gonna give it to my dog. I got my little ranking, Zojirushi, Grandma, and Mini Dash, Aroma, and dog rice. Okay. No. So today we do a rice tasting.
Oh, I knew it!
Pepper gonna come taste the rice too. The numbers in the back, you can't see which rice cooker cook which rice. So.
Okay, Sean.
Yeah, here for you. You like
Taste one.
You can just pick the one you like. Taste one. Which rice is the best?
Because I congee.
Here, come here. Maybe you can write a circle. Write down here which one you like.
They all taste good. I'm picking my best.
So pick one. Pick one.
This one's the best.
Oh, really? Sure? Number 5.
Hi. Let's see.
Which one you think is the best? They already forgot which rice they're tasting already, I'm sure. Which one?
I picked number 5. It's floating.
Which one you think tastes the best?
It won't let you slap hard.
Can you tell? Okay.
He can eat like.
Go. I talk to me in Chinese. You see? I told you, this is a circus. One rice I cook in my grandma way. Peppers can't wait to try the rice. Well, see? Expert here.
I like this one best, then this one, then this one.
Number 4, the best?
Yeah.
Number 5.
Okay, here, big review, right? We are here.
Yeah.
Here, number 4. It's my grandma's rice.
Huh?
Yeah, everybody love grandma. Okay, yeah.
But why is it so good?
Yes, good. It's good.
This was bamboo steamer?
Bamboo steamer.
Look at me so good.
This
Really
one,
good.
yeah, really good. So,
Something to be said for tradition.
yeah,
Which one
Zojirushi.
is number 1?
Number 1.
Interesting.
Number 5. So your favorite is the dog rice
No.
from the
I
microwave.
thought it was pretty good.
All right. I just think it's so
Yeah.
mushy. Dog
the
rice.
best.
Where'd you come from? So the last guest tastes the rice.
Pepper.
Get off! No, you're drinking my rice soup. My rice soup is good. Okay.
This way?
Yeah, go this way. Tell me which one is the worst. If you can tell dog rice. 雨涵过来，你把它挡住啊，姐姐。
I like this the best.
This is the best. Do you taste this?
This is good.
I like
These are not great. This one's the best.
Oh, yeah. See? Truly from Chengdu. You had enough rice, okay? The recipe is down in the description. And if you are lazy, just get a rice cooker. This $20 one is pretty good. Not bad. Please subscribe.
Yeah, or else subscribe. Going to
What's-
area 21.
What that mean? Well, see you next week. Bye.